Are you tired of the freaky Google Apps Script permissions pop-ups? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change it from what originally is this scary flow. And all we're going to do is add a little bit of text, and we're going to sanitize that, make that a lot faster and easier to do. So if you're only accessing your Google Sheet, and that's important to remember, this only works if you have a script bound. In other words, this script is inside of a Google Sheet, doc, slide, or site, and you're only accessing that. If that's the case, then this is going to work for you. So /*, @ symbol, and then only current doc, and we're going to capitalize each word, no spaces in between, and then asterisk and / again. So just like that. Now we go to authorize, review permissions, select your account, and then voila, simple, streamlined, and we're done. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if this is helpful for you, and check out our other videos for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.